Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do an Arabian theme makeup tutorial, and I started off using 518 and Code James from the James Charles palette. And I started off putting it in my crease, working it up a little bit closer to my brow bone. Then I applied the color Mary in my crease. Then to darken it up a little bit more, I applied the color No Beans into my crease as well. Then I went back in with the color Mary and applied that above the color No Beans just to make that color pop a little bit more. And I also went in a circular motion just to get rid of that harsh line. Then I went in with the color Tune just to blend out that Code James and 518 right above my eyebrow bone. Then I went ahead and got a concealer brush and eyeshadow primer to cut my crease. Then after cutting my crease on both eyelids, I went ahead and applied the color So Good. And I wanted the edges to have that smoky effect, so I used the color Mary and No Beans again. And then I went ahead and applied eyeliner on the inside of my waterline, mascara, and my eyelashes. And then on my lower lash line, I also applied the eyeliner and the color Mary. Then I also applied the color Spooky on my lower lash line, and I kind of winged it out just to kind of give it that winged eyeliner look. And then for my hair, the first thing I did was brush it out, and then I combed up the front and the back. And then I applied Eco Styler gel. Once I got it up in a ponytail, I did lay down my baby hairs with the same Eco Styler gel. And then I did apply hairspray to the front and to the back of my hair just to make sure there weren't any flyaways since my hair was straightened. And then I did tease my hair right before I got ready to put it in a bun. My hair extensions, I got a bobby pin and pinned in one end, and then just wrapped the rest around until I got to the end, and then I pinned the other side in. Last thing I did was apply my lipstick, and that was all for this look. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more.